many times does this happen with you that you're wearing a piece which you're most excited for and your mom just pops in and she's like, girl, that looks like a night dress. It just happened with me. Happens a lot of times. So yes, I did take up the street shopping challenge, and this time it was at Mahavir Nagar at Kandivali in Mumbai. I did shop for quite a bit. The first piece of thing we have is a dress, and this is by Only. It's original, it still has the tags on, and it's in a dusky pink color, and it's just for 300 rupees. I got this literally for like 10% of the price, which is so cool. Also the fitting and the color is mind-blowing. Now the thing that I liked the most about this shop was exactly this, the freaking price point. The MRP is 300. You know, at Colaba also you go and they are quoting 600, 550 and you have to bargain your wits out with them to get it down to 300. Next up is another dress, and I love the color and the floral print. It has a cold shoulder and it has a V-neck. Again, a very pretty dress. I love the dainty cold shoulder and the little deep neck and the tulip bottoms. Next up is this printed kimono. This adds so much definition to any outfit. Just look at this one. I'm just wearing simple jeans, a simple t-shirt, but then this is becoming such a nice tied together element. I love the print, I love the fabric, and also the border has a little pop of red color. So the next thing I have is this top. Now this is actually from the girls section. I mean, the tag says so, but I picked up a large so it fits me, and I really like the back. It has frills and this cut. This top also has multiple star features. Firstly, the back, and then we have pockets. I mean, a top having pockets, how cool is that? And next we have two really nice dresses. The first one is this baby pink one, and look at the frill. It's uneven, it's layered, it's so pretty. With a white t-shirt inside, this would look so good. And even the back is fancy. It has adjustable straps. Oh my gosh, this is a girl's dream princess dress. Next up we have one more dress in the similar kind with a huge frill. I love this frill. I haven't seen such a huge frill in a skater dress. I picked up a size 2 in this because this was printed. So printed things, usually if you get them tight fitted, they do look nice. But I picked up a size 4 for the pink dress because it's a solid light color. So that tip can help you. And again, I love the strappy bits and the huge flare. We have this top. I literally, kid you not, saw a very similar top at H&M. And obviously it wasn't for this price. This is such an H&M piece because of the stripes, the color, the tulip design and the halter neck. And we have a dress. This olive green one with a little bit of flare sleeve and embroidery. This again is so easy to throw on, but I would get this fitted from here even though this is a size small. But I love the little dramatic sleeves. Firstly, the print, the embroidery, a little bit of mirror work, it's perfect. Just like this, or with a cardigan or with a white t-shirt inside. This can be just styled in so many ways. Look at the back. It adds so much drama to the simple dress, and also the print is just making it such a nice and easy throw-on dress. Next up I have this Superwoman, I mean not Superwoman, but Superman t-shirt for women. The colors are again so nice, and it's Superman. Come on, even we girls know him. Next I have something in super trend. Sheer, patchwork and stripes. 3 trends in one. This is like the most trendy piece in the whole thing because this has mesh, it has stripes, it's sort of monochrome, the stripes are, and it has patchwork. Now lastly, I have something which might not look the best, but trust me it is, because it is the changing sequin trend. Now this one doesn't change as easily as it does at H&M or Zara, but wait, after taking a fair amount of effort, it does change completely. So I was looking for something like this since the time it was in trend, but nahi, I will not spend that much. Okay, it fits, but it's slightly a bit too snug, so I might just make a makeup bag outfit, but I just love it so much. Can you believe I got all of these things for a total amount of 3,000? All of these things, it's insane, it's crazy, you know. Yeah, एक t-shirt ये वाला शायद 3,000 का मिलता है मॉल में. So this is why I'm happy that I had that bad experience at Colaba and I explored, because turns out that every market does have one good store which is very affordable. And yes, in street shopping challenges, I cover multiple stores and multiple stalls, but I did cover a few other shops and their prices were so freaking high. Firstly, the material was pathetic and yet he was quoting me 450 and bhav kar ke bhi he came down to 400 and I'm like, dude, that dress does not deserve to be for 400. So I am not shopping from you, I'll explore more. And then I landed upon this shop and I just bought everything from here and I'm like, dude, I am spending all my money here because I know you're a really nice price pointed shop. So this was it. This was my street shopping challenge at Mahavir Nagar. Do leave me other destinations where you want me to go and take the street shopping challenge, and I'll see you very soon at that next place. Goodbye!